Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Wanted to go over my, if I can get it off. Wanted to go over my EDC Carabiner with you. This is something that I carried religiously for a long time, and then recently I just kind of stopped carrying it. Well, not recently, the last couple of years I haven't been bringing it. And while I was doing my Carabiner video, I found myself kind of missing it, because I was thinking about all the stuff I had on here. Now the beauty part is most of this I already have on here. It's just the same knife, the SE Azula, same little blade. I just got some zip tie around it, holding it on there. I do have a new flashlight, which I'm going to do in a separate video. So, and then I picked up something new, which I'm going to go over a little bit more detail in this. But it's this bottle here. So, let's go over the content. I shot the contents of this at home already, a couple days ago actually. So I could get close up and show you a little bit better. But let's get to it. Alright, so I'm recording this at home because I figured it would be a good place to get a nice close-up of everything. So let's just go with the obvious first thing, and that is we have a knife. So I got the SE Azula here. Love this little blade. I've had this thing a long time. So I have a cutting tool. I have a new, this is actually a new flashlight, is the O-Light, which I'm going to be doing an individual review on this, so stay tuned to the channel. Probably going to be doing it around the same time. I have a ferrocerium rod for making fire, obviously. I got the firesteel.com super scraper. I just love these. I think they're great. I've had them for, I've had them and been using them for a long time, so let's see if I can zoom out just a little bit. I've got a Bic lighter on a lighter leash. I never could, just, you know, lighter. I never could get any, I contacted the company about buying some of these, but they only sell them in a tub. I think it was like a tub of, like, I want to say 60 or 80, a lot of them, or maybe even 100. They have a carabiner style too, but I like the carabiner style. They had a retractable style on a zip-it line, so you could probably just put the lighter in like this and then hang it on your belt. And then you can just grab it, zip it out, light whatever you're gonna light, and then just let it drop. But I like the carabiner better, and it fit better on my rig. So I did make an effort to try to get a hold of some of these, and I just had trouble getting them. So unfortunately, although I did find on Amazon, where's the other one? These, which I will link them below. They're just lighter holders. They are like a plastic with a ring on it. I'll also link the description, and then you can just stick your lighter on like that, and you know, it's fairly well suctioned. I mean I'm pulling on it fairly, so I don't think they're gonna come out super easy. Plus there's nothing really to grab onto other than, you know, like, I mean, if you go through brush, you're not gonna yank these off. So I ended up getting a extra pair of these, but there's no carabiner, as you can see, but it's got a pretty heavy duty loop at the end, so you know, so size comparison. So these are a new purchase. And then I just have the Jetstream whistle. I've had this thing for a long time. Always good to have a whistle. And then this is, you can get these at Survival Resources. You can probably find them on Amazon too. It's an aluminum waterproof container. And what I did is I filled it with cotton. I'd say cotton balls, but they're not actually cotton balls. They're they're cotton out of a medicine bottle. And all I did is I just took a pair of scissors and I cut them into thirds because it was kind of long. And I just stuffed them in here until it was, I could probably get another one in here, but I didn't want to cram it too hard. But now I have a tinder on me. And then the better combo, of course, is cotton balls and Vaseline. I'll show you what I have with that. Okay, so I was doing some shopping on Amazon again, and I picked up these guys. What these are, there are 6. I like that they come in a convenient bag so I can store the rest later. So, zip top bag, or zip top clothes bag. And I got 6 of these bottles. And they also come with a bunch of carabiners. So I'm going to go with the orange one, which will go nicely on my carabiner. And what I'm going to do with these, and they even come with a oh, one of the tops is off, I think. No, I think they actually gave you a spare top. So 2 of these bottles, and what you do is they're a screw top with a poppet. So I think it's for hand sanitizer. But my idea, let me go ahead and set 2 of these on. In fact, I'll be back in just a second. Alright, so I went ahead and just put the carabiners on all of them, and I'll put the extra cap back in the bag. And I'll put away 4 of these. I don't need them right now. What I was going to say is this is they give you, come on, they also give you a funnel. As you can see, they give you a funnel. So you can fill these a lot easier, like that. So you can, I mean, what can you put in here? Man, sky's the limit. And I'm gonna show you what my idea is. I just have to go get it. All right, I had to go get everything. So I got my petroleum jelly right here. I think I got this at the dollar store. I believe it was $1 at the time. And what you can do is, I got these at the dollar store. These are cake decorating tips. And some of you might be already predicting where I'm going with this. So, dig one of these guys out. Which is no easy task. So get yourself one of these out. And drop it into a zip top bag. Make sure that the tip goes down to the corner here. And open up your bag. What's the tip in this? Tip down in the corner. Alright. I keep getting out of camera and it's really angering me. Like, dude, self. Pay attention. Growl, snarl. So just use a plastic spoon I can throw away. Just dig out a bunch of this petroleum jelly. Now, why don't I like to mix my petroleum jelly and my cotton balls? Because they make a big mess everywhere, that's why. It just makes a big mess. And by keeping this separate, according to Vaseline.com, you can, there's like 100 uses. 100 uses for Vaseline. So, relieves sore skin post waxing for females or for men. Shaving can be used as a gentle massage. Rubbing your hands, dry cuticles and moisture your hands. Lip balm. used as a sealant for lipstick on lips. Sealant, okay. Help prevent dry, rough skin and on ankles. Apply over scabs to help protect them. Can be applied to prevent scars. Works as a body scrub. When mixed with salt or sugar, which, you know, if you have salt and sugar and you cook it, there you go. Helps prevent shoe bites, which I'm not sure what a shoe bite is, but can be used to protect newly healed tattoos. Soothe razor burns. Soothe tired, sore feet. Shape eyebrows. I mean, the list goes on. So basically, if you're out in the woods, you can use it for moisturizer. You can put it on your lips. Now you can also get your fire going with it. So yeah, more than just one use. So by not having it mixed, I actually have access now to use this in other applications. So I hope I didn't cut that too small, but basically, I have a pastry piping bag now with petroleum jelly, and I think it's gonna, is it gonna push through? I might have cut the thing too big. Anyway, I think, so the idea was I could just do this, and nope, it's gonna bust through. Damn it. Alright, I gotta crap, I gotta redo this. So take two. So don't do what I did. Cut a much smaller hole for your bag. Get this back in there. Did I cut the hole small enough? I think I did. Okay. Well, you learn by getting out and doing, so I'll just squeeze this in. Try to prevent myself from wasting as much of it as I can, but there's probably going to be some waste, but it's not like it's crazy expensive. So put this right over. Damn it. And just squeeze it in. Alright, I'm going to take the carabiner off real quick. I think you guys are seeing what I'm doing here. Just filling up the container. Just like that. And try to avoid making a big mess like I am. By the way, these are squeeze bottles, so. Alright. Well, alright though, there you go. Just everything I keep on here. The beauty part about this is, you know, I didn't have to go buy a whole bunch of stuff. I already had the ferro rod, the striker, the whistle, this aluminum container. You can find these on Amazon. About this at Survival Resources. I'm trying to remember what I said in that video now. I know I went over everything. And I'm gonna do a full video on the flashlight because, you know, have to. That way you guys can have more detailed video. And it won't make the carabiner video, you know, 90 minutes long. So, you know, I like it. You know, I got a little nostalgic putting it together because I've had it for a long time. I just thought it was really cool, and I'd forgotten how much I enjoyed it until I got thinking about it. So, anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below. Yay, nay. You know, feel free to throw a little criticism out there if you have any. And of course, those criticisms are typically, you know, heavy, clunky, noisy. But I know I just like it, and you'll probably be seeing me carrying it quite a bit more. So, all right. have a great day. We'll catch you next one. And I'll throw some links in the description too.